I power looped a school bus.
Who cares?
I have like a terrible like hanger sore on my tongue. It hurts a lot. A couple bigger videos coming, but I just don't want to do the voiceover while I feel like I sound weird with the hole in my tongue. It always gets like huge and then it goes away. Like it's like you get a little nip, it like inflares and then it goes away. Do you know how to fix these things? Any like quick fixes? I've tried salt and whatever, and it hasn't really done it. But if you know something that fixes that too, let me know. And it was Ariel's fault. She bit me. I don't have herpes. Also, instead of telling you that 80% of you watch me for free without even subscribing, not even smashing that like button, so instead of even bothering that, thank you. Thank you to you, 15%. You guys are the best. Smoochy smoochy. This is my 4mm T700 carbon discus. This one has an F7 stack in it too, in 18mm standoffs. I've been smashing the crap out of this thing now for over a year, close to 2. And the frame is totally fine. It's been smacked so hard the camera like kind of cracked a little bit, but it still worked. Doesn't really affect it. On one smack, I don't know if you guys saw it in the parking lot. That did not sound good at all.
That did not sound good.
It sounded like I cracked my drone from the side. Oh no!
Oh man, it's just drifting into the wall.
Nothing!
Yeah, I was gonna say, where am I looking?
It hit so hard it broke the FC. So far, the only thing I've had to replace on this is the FC, and the motors and everything have been fine. And these are like cheap SkyStars motors. Gonna start stocking up on them too, having those available on the website too, because all the motors I have are a little bit more premium. They're a bit more expensive, but I like them. I like the Unibel and everything, and I find they're very nice, but I've actually found that, you know, the SkyStars, they're not as good as them. You know how budget things are. Some budget things, they work nice, but they just, you know, they're just not as consistent all the time. Sometimes they can get rattly fast or whatever. But I've had a pretty decent time. I haven't had to change any motors on this one yet. The bumpers are doing their job. And even the MEPS 1404s, I've had them on this for years. My like main filming rig, and they've been really good too. The Happy Model motors, they work very nice for efficiency, the 1404s, if you're gonna not be smacking around. If you smack it around, those ones, the motors start coming apart. You're wondering how much it weighs. Oh, this also has a stack and everything, so it is a bit heavier, but it's 123 grams. Let me throw away a battery on it, like a 650. We'll put a, oh no, that's a 900. Even if you put a 900 on there, you're looking at 223 grams, where lots of people are like 250. But if you fly with, okay, that's an 850. 850, you're at 210 grams. Flying with like a light, this is my favorite battery probably, the Dogcom 560 150C, 179 grams. Easily under the Sub-250, and this is a heavy build. So for instance, if we take a lighter build, even with the O3, fully like guarded with protection and everything, that's 127 grams. Throw in the battery, 183 grams. Do we have a light build? We have a light one. We just got to throw motors and props on it. So let's say we take this super light, like 100 grams even if you want to. Just wanted to show you, like that is like my filming one, and I try to not go too crazy on it because whenever I do, one of the times I smacked it so hard it ripped a pad off the ESC. So I'm just like, I put it on the underpad of the ESC, and if like I do that again, then that ESC is done, and I don't want that to happen. But this is just kind of like my fun smasher basher, beat it up, fly it till the props start like falling off. It still is super fun. Do you find that, I think like with YouTubers, it's like they're always flying with their action cam on the drone, and like I am tempted to do that, but I feel like when I have my action cam on my drone, I'm more scared of breaking it, especially because I make mine naked, so it's kind of like it's pretty high risk. But then when I fly something like this, I just feel I feel free in a way. Like I feel like I can smash the crap out of this. I don't have to worry about it. I can have more fun like that, but it's maybe not as enjoyable for you to watch the analog footage as it is if I do a whole edit with like nice, beautiful HD footage. Do you feel like tempted to always fly with HD, or are you beyond all this? You're at your DJI stuff, or are you still loving analog? I love analog. I really do enjoy it a lot. So here's a fun little analog rip with this one, and the previous upload I had is also a rip with this one. I also have stock of basically all the discus parts. You can build your own. You can get me to build one. Check out the website. Check out the parts. See if there's anything you want. Always have frames from 3mm to 4mm, from about 35 bucks to 50 bucks. Different standoff options and different parts you can choose, all in one or stack or whatever you want. If you're new to FPV, check out my beginner playlist. Lots of things to help you there. If you're old to FPV and you just want some entertainment, check out my FPV stories. I made a whole playlist of like more fun like FPV stories just for you. Also, to everyone that's trying to order stuff off me, it's just been raining and stuff, so I haven't made it to the post office. I'm going to the post office soon, and you will get your orders, and I will get back to you. I'm a crazy person. I'm really crazy, so like doing business with me is a little tricky sometimes. I always take care of you the best that I can, but sometimes I get, I take a couple days.